Want to welcome everybody back to the channel. Today I've got an update on T-Mobile's newest coverage map showing their Ultra Capacity 5G. Stick around till the end of the video. I have some footage of a local tower being updated to n41 from the air. Every once in a while I like to do technology updates or unboxings and things like that. And we've got an update on T-Mobile's coverage map and their n41 that they've been deploying everywhere. It produces really awesome speeds. So recently they've updated the map to show their Ultra Capacity 5G, otherwise known as band n41 on 5G. So here's my general area, and these darker splotches are where they've deployed n41. And as far as the accuracy of these maps go, I had an opportunity recently to do T-Mobile's test drive, and I'll put a link to that video up in the corner. The speeds are impressive, but they're spotty. In this general area on the map where my mouse is where the n41 is, like I said, but within that, if you don't have decent line of sight to a cell tower, you're not going to get those full n41 speeds. On the high end, I saw speeds up to 600 megabits per second. On the low end, on their 5G, in this area where they're saying you should get n41, I was seeing like 200 to 300 down, which is, don't get me wrong, still very impressive. But if we zoom in a little bit here, this area, I'm going to draw a line across the screen with my mouse. This area in general, I would say you're not really going to get the n41 above that line I'm making with the mouse. So while it's cool that they have these maps to show you where n41 is, I'd say the range they're depicting here isn't very realistic. So I just wanted to show these, and it's the other very impressive thing about n41 is they're deploying it in some pretty rural areas. Like this is the town of Owego, which is like 15 miles, 10-15 miles away from me, and away from that other area I just showed you. It's a pretty rural area. But then, you know, T-Mobile's map is kind of splotchy. I mean, you fall off back here to what looks like, I could be wrong, this looks like 3G coverage out here. Oh, no, it's 4G LTE. So you fall off from getting 600 megabits per second, then down to where my mouse is right here, getting probably, you know, 150, 200, and then falling down here to getting maybe 50 to 100. So it's cool, it's a good start. The splotchiness of the map, though, is a little concerning, you know. And then this is Elmira out here, so they have some of Elmira covered as well, which is cool. But then big areas of no service right there. So I thought I'd end this video by showing you guys some footage of a former Sprint tower being converted to a T-Mobile site with n41. Didn't think they were going to keep this site because it seems like it's relatively close to a bunch of other sites that I know are T-Mobile. So it's kind of impressive to see them keeping this site. So here's the video of that upgrade in progress that I found the other day just on accident.